I'm not. You're breathing, right?
No, make sure his face is red.
Make sure he's bite my ear off.
That's fucked up, Nick. That's fucked up. That's it. Bro, he can't breathe.
We got this crazy Hummer H1 in. It's on air suspension. It's got some suspension issues, so we're trying to diagnose and see what we could do to fix it. We might have to take the air suspension out and put a traditional suspension back on there so it drives better again. This is probably the craziest H1 I've ever seen. It's all done up, interior, exterior, everything, so it's gonna be fun to figure it out.
Hold on.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
They want to know, what does mono do?
Shut up! This is what I do? What the fuck? Yeah, that's why I don't do it. Motherfucker!
We're about to work on the Hummer, and it's going to be really fun. It's a lot of work, and you guys are going to love it.
When?
Right now.
We're gonna have to remove this one. Put the original back. What are you guys working on?
We checking the alternator charging system. It's not charging.
So we have a Toyota Avalon here. It did die on the street. He was on the way to work. So battery light is on, and that's an indication of alternator failure. So we're gonna go ahead and change the alternator and test the car, and everything will be good.
Lamborghini Aventador, this car did not have a clear bra protection film on the front of it. The front bumper got damaged, so we had to repaint the front bumper, and the customer chose this time to get the clear bra protection. So we're doing a full front XPEL paint protection film. The damage on the bumper would have been prevented if you had the clear bra on there, so now he's good to go.
Where are you from?
I'm from Germany, so I got a new shirt.
Nice. Looks good on you, man. Looks good. All right.
All right.
Nice.
Thank you.
All right.
good. The weather's good. We're delivering a Ghost that we put back to stock. It was in blacked out, black wrap, back to stock now, ready for a lease return. And we got the white Dawn with us.
Now this is a car for Los Angeles. All white Dawn on the 4Gs. Everybody's copying this look right now, but we started it. The Dawn that we did a few months back, this is the one that Diddy posted. Doesn't know who we are. He's a fan of the build, posted on his Instagram. No free cars for him, no shout outs. He posted it because he loved it. Who doesn't love it?
So this car just came in here for a synthetic oil change service. That's what we're doing now. So it'll be out of here in about 15 to 20 minutes. Car's all done, serviced, it's perfect, ready to go. So we have a Lexus here, and it came in because the car got stuck on the road actually. And the reason why is because the alternator is bad and it's causing the car to lose power. So it should be charging at like 14.2. It's charging really low. So that's one of the reasons why the car is here. We have done the alternator already, it's good to go. And we will release the car later today. This Lexus here, actually, this is our customer. It's been our customer for about 4 to 5 years now. And the car has 161,000 miles. And how is it still running? Well, I mean, it's really hard to maintain a car, so it's really a lot of work. So you gotta do it every 3,000 miles, bring it in for services, do everything correctly, and it'll last you this long. And plus, it's one of our favorite customers, and she's very, very loyal to us, which is really good too. So we take care of all our customers.
You guys saw we just changed out the alternator on this Lexus. It's all done, tested. Customers here at the end of the day to pick it up. We took care of the customer. Didn't have to go to the dealer. We did it all here in a few hours. Great pricing, great customer service. RDB. Truck's done. Hummer H1. We're gonna go on a test drive. Suspension needed some repairs, so we're gonna hook up something to the trailer, tow it, feel the suspension.